Hey y'all, what's up? So, today, and I haven't been posting a lot, but that's because I've been very busy with school and stuff. Like I said a couple weeks before school, I had a lot of stuff I had to do. So, what we're doing today is as you could see clearly from the title, we are going to be looking through all of my fidgets, and I'm so excited. So let's go ahead and hop right on in. So first up, we have a bunch over here. As you can see clearly, this is a 12-sided fidget cube. It has this little controller, this little guy that moves, two little on and off clicking buttons, these little buttons, this thing that turns around and also goes in, super satisfying clicks, and these just move, and I figured this out a couple of days after I bought it, but it comes off, so you gotta be careful about it. And also don't mind my nails. I've been trying this new gel nail polish and it does not work at all. This cute little button, it's really satisfying actually. A little massage area. These and these. So that's everything on the 12-sided fidget cube. Next up, we have infinity cube. But if you're wondering where I got this $21 fidget set on Amazon, and it is such a steal. It is so good. I got so many good things from it. This, and this I did not get from that pack though. These I've had for a while, and yeah. Now I love this poppet. It is so satisfying. Like just listen to it. Oh, and then listen to this side. Isn't that so satisfying? Satisfying. Alright, so next. We have some glow-in-the-dark globbies. Just look at how cute they are. They love sticking to each other, but they do not bounce. They just like splat. They bounce on they don't bounce on the floors, but they like bounce between walls and stuff. These aren't very good bath toys because when they get wet, they don't like to stick anymore. It's only when they're dry when they like to stick, because for some reason they're a pain in the butts. Alright. We got dinosaur. Doggy, 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 dog, doggy, dog. Doggy, 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 dog. Doggy, 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 dog, dog, dog. Oh, whoopsies. And then there's a unicorn. Look at how adorable it is. I feel like these monkey noodles are definitely very good to bring in the bath because since they're fuzzy, they have a good grip. So, oh my god. I got nail polish on this. How was that even physically possible? Okay, I got it off. Alright, next up is so good. Alright, next. Oh goodness. Next, we have, get out of here. Yeet. Yeet. We have a simple dimple. It smells like vanilla. It's weird. And this one I love, although it does build up stuff, but it's kind of firm and it feels really good when you pop them. Yeah, I ordered a simple dimple that looked like that, and instead I got that, so kind of upset, but to be honest, I don't really care because I'm sure it'd be just as tough. It was the pink one anyway, so don't care at all. I still got my pink. Next, the same green one, but it's not the same. There's two. Now, this one's a little bit softer because the other one I don't really mess with a lot because how am I supposed to do two at the same time? And yeah, I guess I could do this, but it's very slow instead of just doing this. It works a lot faster, trust me. And then we got some wacky tracks, except it is one big wacky track. Isn't it so big? Like it doesn't even fit in the camera, but as you can see right there is where it splits. It's two wacky tracks. Just listen to the clicks. Aren't they just so good? Ah, I love it. Next. Get out of here. We got acupuncture rings. But if you guys, if it feels tight on your finger, do not leave it on your finger because I left it on my thumb for a little bit. My thumb, I'm telling you right now, it turned purple and it was cold and it was really scary. So I almost lost a finger because of these things, so I usually don't play with them too much because I'm scared I'm going to lose a finger with these, so these things are dangerous. Dangerous. Well, they do make nice noises against each other, at least. Bam! Oh, I love this one. Sorry, excuse me. Got a bit of a runny nose today. So yeah, that's this little peas popper thing. Peas popper. Boop, 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 boop. Keychain and all. And then there's this stupid little thing. I don't know what that's for. I don't know. And then the most famous. Okay. So yeah. I love when it does this because then it's just like a little cage with a marble. Bam! Get over here. Okay. We got Mr. Mochi. Oh, oh God. Get over here. Don't mind me. Alright. That one is a popsicle. ABC's one, by the way. That is a pineapple hard shell tie-dye. And that is it, my friends. So, smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye. Goodbye.